Hey everybody, this is Doug from DC Best Ever, and I'm in my bathrobe again, so you know what that means. That means I'm doing something in the kitchen. So I just wanted to do a short video showing you a life hack that I figured out. What's the one problem that you have when you add creamer to your coffee? It usually makes your coffee cold a lot faster than it should. So this is what I started doing. Take your creamer, whatever flavor it may be, pour it into a little container, however much creamer you're gonna use. I like to use a lot of creamer. It's pretty bad. Hopefully that's enough. And yeah, you know I don't like to use the microwave much, but it works for this. And then put it on for about, I would say, 20 seconds. And now, when you add your creamer to your coffee, the creamer is already hot too, so it's not going to cool it off. Once that 20 seconds is done, it's going to be magical. 3, 2, 1, yes! Alright. The creamer's not going to be boiling hot or anything, but here we go. Let me get a spoon. Here's a little tip too. If you rinse your spoon right after you stir your coffee, it's not dirty. Rinse it off and set it out to dry. Same thing with anything that you use with liquid. It's not caked on or anything, so just rinse it off and set it out to dry and you're good to go. Alright, so it's coffee time. I just burned my tongue, but that was delicious. And one of my favorite life hacks. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.